Hello guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. We are still with our officer library, but now we are going to talk about pptx documents, or better to say PowerPoint documents or PowerPoint presentations. So for this purpose I'm going to use LibreOffice Impress. But if you are using Microsoft PowerPoint, you don't have to worry. These examples are going to work. So what I have done, I have imported this officer library and I have opened some empty pptx document. And at the end, I'm going to export this document to actual file. For this episode, I am going to teach you few things: how to create slide, how to move slide, and how to remove slide. So in order to create slide, you have function that you are going to provide to your document, and name of function is add slide. First argument is going to be actual document. Second argument is going to be layout, and let's say title and content. And master is going to be, you don't have to worry about this third argument. This second argument we are going to change later on. So for now, this is going to create the actual slide. And if we run this code, you see everything went well. I'm going to show you how our document looks like. You see, we have only one slide. So now I'm going to create another slide. And let's say now we are going to create layout to content. If we run this code, everything is fine. And now I'm going to show you that we actually have two slides. You see, we have two slides. I'm going to show you how to move slides, but you are not going to notice any difference in our document. Why is that? Let me show you the function first. Move slide. Document is going to be first argument, index is going to be second argument, and we are going to move first slide to second place. And if we run this code, you see everything is fine. And I'm going to show you how that looks like. You see, we have noticed no difference because both of our slides are completely white. And now I'm going to teach you how to remove slide when you actually don't need it anymore. Of course, we are going to provide result to our document. And now we are going to provide function remove slide. First argument is going to be document, and second argument is going to be index of slide that we would like to remove. And if we run this code, you see everything went well. And I'm going to show you this document. You see, we have only one slide remaining. So this would be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya!